Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about case study. In case study problem, we are going to deal with waterfall model. I am Dr.M.Praveena, working as associate professor and academic coordinator in Department of Computer Science with full stack web development at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Let us see about the problem statement. A university library wants to modernize its system for managing books, patents, and transactions. Currently, the library operates with a largely manual process which is inefficient and error prone. So, the university administration has decided to implement a software based library management system to streamline operations and also to enhance user experience and to improve the overall efficiency. So first thing is collecting data. So in collecting data we have to gather the requirements. The project team conducts interview with library staffs and administrators to understand their needs and pain points. So the key requirements include ability to catalog books with details such as title, author, publication date and category. Second thing, patent management including registration, borrower information and history. Third one, check-in and check-out functionalities. Fourth one, notification system for overdue books. And last one, reporting and analytics for library usage. In requirement specification, it is done based on gathering requirements. The team creates a detailed requirement specification document outlining functional and non-functional requirements. Module design. The system is broken down into modules such as book management, patent management, transaction processing, and reporting. The detailed design documents are created for each module. It specifies data structures, algorithms, and the interfaces. Coding. Development of library management system begins based on the design specification. Each module is implemented using appropriate programming language and technologies. Deployment, user training. Library staff are trained on how to use the new system effectively. Training sessions cover basic operations, troubleshooting, and system maintenance. Maintenance, support, and maintenance. After deployment, the project team provides ongoing support and maintenance for the library management system. This includes addressing user queries, fixing bugs, and also implementing new features or enhancements as required by the team. Now let us see about the solution. By following the waterfall model, the university successfully implements a modern library management system that automates various tasks and also improves its efficiency. The system allows library staff to easily catalog books, manage patents, and also process the transaction, leading to faster check-in and check-out times and also reduces the error. Patents benefit from smoother borrowing experience and timely notification for overdue books. The system also provides valuable insights through reporting and analytics, enabling the library to make data driven decisions for resource allocation and service improvement. Conclusion. The waterfall model provides a structured approach to software development. That is, it provides a most perfect and structured approach to software development, ensuring that all the requirements are clearly defined upfront and each phase is completed before moving to the next phase. So, whatever things necessary are given step by step, phase to phase, and this systematic process leads to the successful delivery of library management system, meeting the university's objective and also satisfying the needs of both library staff and also the patents. Thank you.